Hello dear friend. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and another video about Squarespace. Today's video, I will explain to you how to embed a PDF on your Squarespace website. This works whether you wish to offer a free downloadable resource or would prefer to display your PDF on a web page within your Squarespace website. Example, maybe you want to include a checklist with your latest blog post, or maybe you want to share your terms and conditions, and a discreet but accessible way, or perhaps, you want to give your potential clients a brochure outlining some of your products and services and a bit more detail. Okay, let's start the video. First, we need to go to the Pages section. We are going to add pages in the Not Linked section. Click plus. Select Blank Pages. Then click Edit. Add a new session. Click Add Block. On the first experiment, we can add text to include the PDF link. Enter text as desired. Click Add Files. Click the gear icon. Click the Files menu. Upload the PDF file that you want to include. Select Files. Turn on the button of Open in New Window. Click Save. Then click Apply. Click Save. And exit to try text links. Click the text link that has been created. Then it will open the PDF file that we have input in New Windows. Next, in the second experiment, we will insert the embedded PDF on the button. Click Add Block. Select Buttons. Click Edit. As usual, click the gear icon. Click the Files menu. Click on the file that was uploaded earlier. Turn on the button of Open in New Window. Click Save. Click Save to save changes. And exit to try the link button. Click on the link button that was created. Then it will open the PDF file that we have input in New Windows. Next, in the third experiment, we will insert the embedded PDF in the image. Click Add Block. Select Images. Add a cool image. Then click Edit. On the link, change it to On Image. As usual, click the gear icon. Then select Files menu. Click on the file that was uploaded earlier. Turn on the button of Open in New Window. Click Save. Click Save to save changes. And exit to try the image link. Click on the image link that has been created. Then it will open the PDF file that we have input in New Windows. The next tutorial We can also add a PDF view directly on the website Space Square page. The way that is: first, we need to go to the slideshare.net website. If you don't have an account, you must create an account first. Select Upload Documents. Select the file you want to upload. Enter the setting form. Click Publish. In the Embed section, click Copy Link. Then reopen our Squarespace website. Select Add Block. Search and select Code. Click Edit. Paste the embed result that we got earlier. Then the embed results from the PDF will appear directly on the Squarespace website. To beautify the appearance of the website, we can change the layout of all inputs. Okay, here are the results of the website Embed PDF, that we put in text, buttons, and images. Then we have also added a PDF display directly on the Squarespace website page. Okay my friend, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get more information about Blogger. See you on next video.